Ghetto Gastro is a culinary collective born and bred in the Bronx. We operate at the intersection of architecture, design, and community empowerment.
We use food as a weapon in order to build up our community, not to destroy.
Crux is born and bred in New York as well, so it's only right we collabed and created the CruxGG product line.
And these products, they're really designed with style and function at the top of our mind.
It's super sleek and it's very minimal because, you know what they say, less is more.
We wanted to make products that were accessible so people could bring that flavor to their homes. It's Steez with ease.
Ghetto Gastro and Crux are paving the way for future creators of modern cuisine.
Health is wealth. Stay sturdy and worthy. CruxGG.